What is up guys, Planet this site. In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom variants or variants in products in Shopify. So first you need to head over to your Shopify's website and then you need to log in with your Shopify account. After that at the home page you will see the add more products, but if you can't see it on the left side you will see the product section. Click on that, and when you click on that on the right side you will see the add product option. Click on that add product, and after clicking on add product a new window of add product will open. From here, you need to give your product name. After giving your product name, you just simply need to add a description. And after adding a description, here you need to upload your new photos. And after uploading your photos, you need to choose a product category. After choosing the category, you just simply need to enter the pricing. And after entering the pricing here, you will see the inventory, and you can just custom your inventory, the shop location, the stock keeping unit, and the barcode. And when you scroll a bit down here, you will see the option of variants. Click on that, and then here in the recommended section, you have your variants. So you can just simply add any variant, and you can add a new color. In this variant, I want to add a clear color, a brown color, and a blue color. As you can see, I have checked all these three colors. When I'm done, I'll just simply click on this done. And as you can see, my variant has been created and the colors are also added in this variant. Then I can set up a dynamic pricing of every color, and after setting the dynamic pricing, here I can also set the purchase options like prepaid, pre-order, subscription, try before you buy, anything. And I can also target a particular gender like male or female. I'll just go with male, female, and both. And when I'm done, I'll just simply click wherever at the empty space, and then it will be saved automatically. You can also add or you can remove it according to your vision requirements, and you can also add some more colors if you want. And then in the product meta fields, I can add the snowboard length in the and you have multiple dimension like centimeter, meter, inches, feet, and yards. You can just add it according to your vision requirements, and then you can also add the snowboard binding mount. After adding, when you are done, on the right side at the top or at the center at the top, you can see the save button. Simply click on the save button to add your products in the product section with the custom or your pre-built variant. And like this, you can add variants to your Shopify products. And on other than variants, you have multiple options to add your new media, to add your custom description. Like if you have any video or link in the description, you can add that too. And you can also bold, italic, and underline and color your text which you're adding in the description. You can also suggest a category, or you can just choose a category, and then in the product organization you can also enter the type of the product that you are selling, and after that you can just specify a particular collection if you are selling a particular connection. And you can also enter the tags if you have any, and you can also change the theme. I currently have the default product theme, so I can just keep that, but if you have purchased the Shopify premium, you can just change the theme template. And here, these are all the details for adding the variants and adding a product in your Shopify. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.